my camera likes your camera.
Hi.
Hi, how you doing?
Oh, like it as it has.
No.
Ew, is your camera a boy or girl?
Girl.
I don't want mine to be a boy.
Fine, man, it's a boy then.
Thank you. Jasmine's camera's a homo.
Your camera doesn't have a microphone.
But it will when you put it on the computer. Put this on MySpace. I'm gonna put it on my MySpace so you can't delete it. I'm gonna put it on yours too. I'm gonna put it as a bulletin too. Nice. I'm gonna laugh if you fall.
Cassie. I should be like Steven Spielberg or something.
Actually, that's Jasmine. Woo!
I already have you on close up.
No, how come yours can go? Mine can't go in close up, can it? No. Hey, no, wait. Ah, go away.
No, wait.
Shut up. Dude, I don't know where I'm going though.
I'm gonna see your foot then.
No, my feet are my feet. I'll get your feet.
Go ahead.
Nice feet. Ah, Jasmine likes to clean her shoe. Ah! No. I hate you. Jasmine, do you like to clean your shoe? Would you like to demonstrate? She did it later though. She did it early. Ah, no. This is gonna be G-rated.
You sure about that?
Her name is Fred Tampon. Fred used tampon.
I'm playing mine now.